In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a broker and place trades on TradingView step by step, 2025. We'll go from opening the chart to executing a trade, so you can follow along with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you have a TradingView account and a supported brokerage account. Availability can vary by region, so if your broker doesn't appear later on, it may not be supported in your location, or you may need to update your TradingView plan. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart. It can be a stock, forex pair, crypto, or futures chart, whatever you plan to trade through your broker. At the bottom of the chart, click Trading Panel. This slides up a dock showing available brokers. You'll also see connectivity status and options for linking accounts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll manage everything. From the broker list, find your broker and click Connect. A secure login window will appear. Enter your broker login credentials in that window only, and complete any required verification or authentication, such as two-factor codes. For your security, never share your login details, and double-check that the login prompt is the official broker connection provided by TradingView. Once you're connected, your account balance, positions, and orders will appear in the trading panel. If you have multiple accounts with the same broker, you can typically select the one you want to trade from. Give it a second to sync. If anything looks off, try refreshing the panel or reconnecting. To place a trade, click Buy or Sell in the trading panel. This opens the order window. Here, choose your order type, market, limit, or stop. A market order executes immediately at the best available price. A limit order lets you set a specific price to buy or sell, giving you price control but not guaranteed execution. A stop order triggers once price reaches your stop level and then executes, often used for breakout entries or protective exits. Next, set your quantity. That could be shares, contracts, or units, depending on the market and broker. Confirm the symbol, order type, and quantity, and keep fees and slippage in mind. Click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. You'll see confirmations, and your order or position will appear on the chart and in the panel. To view and manage your trades, use the Positions and Orders tabs. Positions show open trades with entry price and P&L. Orders list pending orders awaiting fill. You can modify or cancel orders and close positions directly from here. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.